this is beautiful.
Oh no!
Wrong one. Oh, that was weird. I just suck at the game. Oh, that's so loud. Why is it so loud? Oh no. The music's gone. Can I at least beat the level, please? I did it. Oh. Let's turn up the intensity a bit. 400. Okay. Ah. What are we doing? Like the mountains. Oh! Oh. Ah. What happened? Okay. Oh. What? Ow! Ow! It's so loud. Why do I look like this? What happened? I died. Alright, let's do intro. Ow! Sounds like shoveling the sand. It's like rats in my headphones. No! What is happening? It's really loud. Oh my god, I just blew up. What? my god.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh. 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 Oh.
What happened?
Oh.
Today is Princess Peach's birthday. Okay, the yellow toad's tweaking a little bit. Ow, why is it so bright? What is happening? Oh, it's loud. Oh no. Cake's flying away. Shoot, dear, what happened? I'm so scared. White. It's windy out here. Oh, wow, that's a massive dressing up. Oh my god, who is that? He's so big. What are you doing? Sound's gone. Oh my god! I need to get the volume limiter right now. We're done.